Imagine a world where vast quantities of data, open and available to all, serve as the foundation for wealth creation. This is not a vision of a distant future. It's the reality of today's open data revolution, a revolution expertly analyzed by Dr. Hwa A in his keynote lecture, The Biodata Behind Big Open Data. Dr. Lim's insights illuminate the transformative power of open data, especially in the field of agriculture. Consider the United States national weather data and GPS data. These are not just numbers and coordinates. They are tools that farmers can wield to optimize crop yields and minimize risks. For example, farming, a 20% margin business in the United States, generates about $500 billion a year in revenue. But the unpredictability of the weather, the one major source of variability in this industry, can cause significant loss in profit. Dr. Lim introduces a solution: the clever use of open data. The Climate Corporation, for instance, was established to offer a superior kind of weather insurance. But it has since evolved into a beacon of hope for farmers worldwide, helping them adapt to climate change, boost their crop yields, and spearhead a new green revolution. Using multiple public databases, the Climate Corporation advises farmers on which field to work on, when to spray and plant, and when to fertilize. This data-driven approach can potentially increase a farmer's profitability by 20 to 30%. But the potential of open data extends far beyond the borders of the United States. The data gathered by the US government satellites cover the entire planet. This means that the information is reusable and can be applied internationally. Imagine corn farmers in Africa receiving daily text messages advising them on the optimal farming practices. This is the promise of Green Revolution 2.0. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Dr. Lim highlights the need for a capitalist incentive to take risks and generate higher returns. Yet without government support, this innovation wouldn't be possible. The government provides the crucial infrastructure services. Thus, Dr. Lim suggests a symbiotic relationship between the private sector and government, a partnership that can yield optimal results. To summarize, the transformative power of open data in agriculture is undeniable. It has the potential to increase profitability, mitigate risks, and pave the way for a new green revolution. However, for this potential to be fully realized, a cooperative relationship between the private sector and government is indispensable. As we move forward, let us harness the power of open data not just for wealth creation but for a sustainable and prosperous future for all.